How to add birthday in Google account. If you wish to add birthday or change your birthday in Google account, you want to navigate to Google account settings. First of all, go open the Google app, or you could open any of the Google services. Select the particular account for which you want to go ahead and add it and click on manage account. As you go to manage account, then here you want to go to the personal info section, and here you have the birthday. As you could see, I've already added, but then you could go ahead and click that out. Now then, what you need to do is, after you've actually located, so you may be prompted to verify your identity, such as by providing your Google account password. Then you can choose whether your birthday is visible to everyone or only me. Now once you've entered the correct information and chosen your visibility option, click on save or save changes, and you've successfully added birthday in Google account. This is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.